Hello again. Welcome to the Chinese course on TELEAG. I'm Yao Songmei. In our last lesson, we learned nasal finals group 2, and they are yang, ong, yang, wang, weng, yong. Today we are going to learn tones. There are 4 basic tones in Chinese. They are called the first tone. The tone pitch is from 5 to 5. The second tone. The tone pitch is from 3 to 5. The third tone. The tone pitch is from 2 to 1 to 4. And the fourth tone. The tone pitch is from 5 to 1. And marks for them are like this. You must have a question here. Why does the Chinese language have tones? Alright, because they make difference in meanings. Let's take the same syllable with different tones as an example. Ma, 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 ma. So, ma means mother. Ma means fibrous crops. Ma means horse. Ma means to scold. Now you can see, yes, each of them is written with the same syllable, but with different tones they have different meanings. How do we pronounce different tones on syllables then? For example, when the first tone is marked on simple final a, we pronounce it a. With the second tone, a. With the third tone, a. With the fourth tone, a. Remember, different tones have different tone pitches. Now, follow me to read another 5 simple finals with tones. O, 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 o. Ơ, ớ, ở, ợ. Y, ý, ỉ, ị. U, ú, ủ, ụ. Ü, 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 ü. You're really great. 4 tones, many people find it a bit hard. Just remember the 4 tone pitches. And at the beginning, you can also use gestures to remind yourself, same as what I just did. Okay, this is all for today. Here's today's quiz for you. See ya!